Welcome to this technical guide on the DELL XPS. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If you find that your DELL XPS is dead slow, you're not alone. This issue often arises due to insufficient RAM, which can hinder the device's performance significantly. If left unaddressed, it may lead to even slower speeds and crashes, making your device frustrating to use. To get started with the RAM upgrade, you will need a few tools. Specifically, you'll require a Phillips screwdriver, an anti-static wrist strap, and some new RAM sticks compatible with your DELL XPS model. First, let's ensure your safety. Begin by powering down your DELL XPS and unplugging it from the mains. Next, locate the screws securing the back panel. These are typically found around the edges. Remove these screws carefully, placing them in a safe location for reassembly. Once the screws are out, gently pry the back panel off, taking care not to damage any clips or connectors. With the back panel removed, locate the RAM slots. They are usually situated near the center of the motherboard and are identifiable by the long, slender slots. If you see RAM modules already installed, you're in the right place. To remove the old RAM, gently press down on the clips on either side of the module until it pops up slightly. Then, pull it out carefully, ensuring not to touch the gold connectors. Now it's time to insert the new RAM. Align the notches on the RAM stick with the slots and push down firmly until the clips click into place. Make sure to repeat this for any additional sticks you're installing. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once you've installed the new RAM, replace the back panel by aligning it properly and securing it with the screws you removed earlier. Finally, plug your device back in and power it on. You should notice a significant improvement in performance. To prevent future slowdowns, consider upgrading your RAM sooner rather than later if you notice signs of lag. Regularly check your system's performance and keep your software updated to ensure everything runs smoothly. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.